No visibility. No mobility. No connection. That's no way to work. There's a new, better way. Equip more hands. Keep up the rhythm. Meet the WS50, the new all-in-one wearable for your job. A breakthrough in enterprise mobility. A powerful, versatile computer core for every need and every worker. Designed to overcome the most difficult conditions. Keeps you connected. Runs on its own. Easy to integrate. Easy to manage. Engineered for your needs. Designed for your workflows. Go forth with all-in-one freedom. Only from Zebra.